We're gonna sneak up on them, cleaning the poop up.
Here's one, Savannah! Savannah, here's one! Savannah! Here's one!
Hey Sarah, you picking something out of your bottom? You picking something out of your bottom? No, don't do that. I told you not to do that anymore. There's poopies everywhere out there. It's fun getting them to work in the yard. Cleaning up poop like I used to.